Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, reporting from IREE 2025 India. And today I have Paul with me from BÄDER. Hi, sir.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Thank you.
I'm good, thank you. Can you brief me about your company and how you started?
Yes, sure. So our company is Lackfabrik BÄDER from Esslingen, Germany. It was founded in 1936 already in Germany, and we are manufacturing torque sealants, maybe. They are basically used in all kinds of industry, also in the railway industry a lot. And we're manufacturing those torque sealants since 1962 already.
That's great. So what are the products you're highlighting at this event, basically?
So yeah, as mentioned, it's mainly torque sealants, and those are products that you use to mark screws, like in this case. So there's different colors and different ranges, and they are mainly used to highlight if somebody manipulated or tempered the screws, for example. Yeah, or if the screws maybe just opened by itself. And it's also a visual check mark. So the screw has to be tightened a certain way, and then you just put the color on it. So it's a visual check to see if the screw has been tightened properly.
Right.
And it is usually applied with a tube. There's something like here, that's a 50 milliliter tube, for example. And yeah, basically you use it like a little pen, unscrew it, and then do the mark on the screw, basically.
That's great, that's great.
Yeah.
That's really nice. So are you dealing with international markets as well?
Yeah, totally. So basically we're selling our torque sealants all over the world, mainly Germany and Europe, for example, but also India. That's why we're here. Right. We ventured into India like 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago. We're also exporting a lot to China, also some to the US, but I would say like 70% of the revenue is in Europe.
That's great, that's great. So do you have like any new innovations or launches this year?
There is actually a new product which we released a few months ago. It's a Tagger tube marker, and it has a ball metal tip right here. It's a 2.5 millimeter tip with a little feather, and you can use this tube to write. So on all kinds of surfaces, basically, on, flat surfaces, rough surfaces, wet surfaces, oily surfaces, dirty surfaces, and you can just use it to make marks.
Right. So are you planning to expand your offerings?
Definitely, yeah. So we're very ambitious. I would say like 5 to 10 years ago, we only were limited to one product range, which are the torque sealants.
Right.
And we really extended the portfolio over the last few years. So we have this tube marker here now. We have anaerobic thread lockers, like these ones here, anaerobic thread lockers. You use them to really tighten or glue the screw tight. Also different ranges. That's a high strength one, for example. This one is a thread sealant, so to tighten the screw and also seal it, to be leak proof. Yeah, basically those are the ranges that we have so far. But we are very ambitious, and we're going to extend the portfolio even further in the next years.
That's really nice. Thank you for sharing your time. Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you also.